Here's the road. So look at this jeep track that we cut. Here's a rock that must be covered with sand. Here's another rock. We fill that in. Here's a log. This must be filled in with sand. Well, as you saw from the video, the area is very dry and grassy, so a few of us civic-minded citizens decided to get together and build this road so that fire trucks can get behind the houses, between the bush and the houses, and fire trucks with water and pumps and hoses can get there in the event of a fire. And I think if you look at the California and other fires, if the authorities won't do anything about it, the civilians need to take matters into their own hands. I think it's good to not just only think of yourself, but to think of the community at large and to throw some of your time at civic-minded things that are happening, ways you can improve your community and ensure your safety. And also look how nice it was to be able to ride my motorbike up and down that path.